Hello there everybody, the Trains 45,000 and welcome to Deansgate, Castlefield on the Manchester Metrolink. Once again, Metrolink services. Let's see what's arrived depart here at Deansgate. The first tram of the day is a Piccadilly tram. Ooh, wind blew me on. I'm guessing that'll be from Eccles. There's no doubled up trams today, I can see. 3070. Oh, 3020. Don't worry, I saw a 7, it's 3020. I go by Market Street. The very busy tram. People on Metrolink are not used to people filming, so it's quite funny. There's also another tram arriving in. For Eccles. I'll keep it moving because you can technically see that coming. I prefer a lower vantage point on this one because you get a better view of the whole tram. I'm absolutely freezing cold, so I apologise for that. Block by that sign. So, 3114. So now approaching 3086 to East Sidbury. Those trams look massive from down here because I'm low down. They're just not. Whoa, someone's just got run over by a tram. 3114 to Eccles. Doesn't say whether it goes via Media City UK. Should go into East Sidbury. It's changed ends. The lights are just reversed on, so I'll stop filming and wait for its departure. 3086 on its way to East Sidbury. Should be. No, it's not. It's just released its brakes and everything. It's playing banter, playing games with me. We're approaching now. We're in Manchester Piccadilly tram. Another one from Eccles and Media City UK, I think. 3070. As the 3086 to East Sidbury now departs. That driver didn't look very impressed with me. Death's there from Manchester Metrolink. One tram departs to Piccadilly as another one arrives into Altrincham. I think that goes via Trafford Bar, which is one after Cornbrook, I think. I'm not big on my trams, so what I deal with. 3053. As we have a Bury via Market Street tram, 3059. Via Market Street and Manchester Victoria. Busy enough service. Wave off someone, weirdly. I was 3053 to Altrincham departs. Never been so blank in my life. And as that takes its way forward to Deansgate, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment if you feel I could do anything different or any station suggestions. So thank you for watching and goodbye.